Them did want the fever locking and tune stay. Hey, what the sun down the nose? What we got to do with bad mind? What we do with some tight old gas? Skin around. Knock us the business with us now. Knock around. Them nowadays gal a short goal. No doubt. We do it for bank account. Them a do it for the cloud. She said the duffel bag. She want do it fishing mouth. Stop watch and chatty gal boy. Real fishing mouth. Who want to be rich? Ever pre-rich yo. You want to take my crown? You have a way which is out. Pick up the eagle and made it pigeon sound.
Just start.
Pussy. Every girl ready now for drop every panty. Fly past them Porsche and me Maserati. Our Birkin full of cash, no rich me wealthy. Exercise me gun figure, keep me trigger healthy. I with the blood clot, do Humpty Dumpty.
You alright, man?
Vybz Kartel has been making waves with a preview of his unreleased song, where he boldly declares himself the king of dancehall. His lyrics talk about securing the crown and dismissing any challengers. Fans are rallying behind him, passionately defending his claim to the throne. But it doesn't stop there. Beenie Man isn't backing down. He's fired back with some spicy remarks, emphasizing that there's one king, one clown in the dancehall world. To add fuel to the fire, Beenie has also teased a new song where he seems to take a dig at Kartel's flashy lifestyle, specifically his recent purchase of a Porsche. The anticipation is building, and fans are eagerly waiting to see if this will escalate into a full-blown lyrical showdown. Interestingly, Vybz Kartel has made it clear on social media that he's not interested in any clash. He's all about positivity, focusing on family and business, brushing off any talk of feuds.
Gaza Nation, that's come to my attention that people are saying Vybz Kartel is involved in a clash or some lyrical feud. And let me reassure you, Gaza Nation, nothing could be further from the truth, yeah? A positivity Vybz Kartel are dealing with right now. Family, business, money, and God, yeah? No clashing. We have no time for that. Positivity around here.
Despite this, the fans, and even fellow artists like Spice and Busta Rhymes, can't help but jump into the mix, showing their support with comments and emojis. Adding another layer to this drama, veteran artist Khago has shared his thoughts on the situation, while Mr. Vegas has called out Beenie Man, accusing him of being hypocritical and suggesting that Beanie's actions are more about staying relevant in today's dancehall scene.
Somebody asked me, like, see, me never say so. Jed, me never say so. The only thing me have to say is the Bounty Killer and Vegas, why me not like it.
Yeah.
Because we are being unification in music. So the word is no menacing.
I'm feeling, after a certain age, Steve, I like certain things. As a big man, I feel fight.
Ah, daddy.
No, that's my opinion. That's my opinion.
All right. No, me.
As a big man.
This me I say.
Yeah.
As a big man, anybody can say that. Quote me.
2025 and we're alive. This will be the year for you and I.
Now, I'm curious. What do you think about this dancehall drama? Is Vybz Kartel the rightful king? Or does Beenie Man still hold the crown? Share your thoughts in the comments below.
Clash of people like it. It is him and Khago. I got do it. I mean.
Arita.
Beenie and nobody else can clash away from him and Bunty. It can't work. Melitana, big up yourself. You see us, the downfall of reggae music. Me spend 1 month at Japan and nobody no listen to the original dancehall artists them again down there because we spend so much time out I tear down with one another as artists or artists where they create their own Khago, they create their own Beenie, their own Bunty. And I can tell you something, when they keep their show, brother, you know, I worry yourself, say Kartel show big or Buju show big for them bigger than for we.
True.
Did you hear what me just say? They show bigger than Fiwi and me can guarantee tell you say they don't know that's all 1% and at them I make the money. And you want me tell you why me know say them I make the money? Their money is the same exact price like Jamaica. When you look power Japanese, you can't even know what them I say. The only thing you hear them start their song with, oh, same, who got the keys to my bima? And the place mash up, then go in the Japanese dialect. Bro, we have to be careful. You cannot tear down somebody whispered people spread red carpet the worldwide. The other day, me the England dog, you know see when Beenie Man come out over something they splash. 100,000 people. Bro, me never see so much people in my life. And Beenie Man called me out. I will always have love and respect for Beenie Man. I hope he no feel no way. Me know what, brother, I'm tell you, I love Beenie Man. Me not even want to see me in them type of conversation. The way how me know Beenie Man big, him not supposed to evil. We not supposed to even have Beenie Man in a them type of argument. The way our bounty killer big, we not supposed to have them in a them type of argument. Me can tell you, Bujo, there's some place cutting 10 and I say, what's up with these guys? We think we pass these type of garbageness in a reggae and that's our music that. Crazy? Brother, Mr. Capleton come out over England. Bro! Lord Jesus! He like a Jesus himself. Touchdown. His second time. True. Hey brother, you better back up on yourself. Listen to me. You check say no dancehall artist boy can walk out after Capleton. Over for it. You sick in the head.
I need a new song.
Listen, if you don't think anybody want to have in your head a Ras King, tell them come out after Capleton. I just the first walk out them I get two. After it, let me tell you something. A lifeguard you know have to send to go find them to you hold a Capleton dig and jump. Hey brother, you better tap on you know nonsense. Garbage you not tap. Yeah. No, bro, large. Listen to me. A Bujo Bantan and Berry Salmon, my only man in a dog. A 3-4 time for week, them the man they have in a one spot. No dancehall, regular dancehall boy can't do that. After one show, nobody know want to see them because they can't even sing back their song good. So you know better back up our mind and make people kill them, man.
Alright, you see what me I say now, Khago? Because me them put Bujo Bantan yesterday, yeah? Say Bob Marley do film time and what Bujo Bantan do in the music, he do more bigger than Bob Marley.
Bro, the only man who you cannot bigger than is Jesus Christ. A man act like say reggae music top of Bob Marley. Then Bob Marley dead when he was 33-year-old out. Bob Marley not get nothing boy. Bob Marley dead when he cocky not even too goodly a grow here yet. Bob Marley dead when he not even learn to come good. You know hear that Bob Marley dead when he a picnic. Baby, young little baby youth just come off a mother breast. Bob Marley dead when he a baby. 36. You don't understand. Bob Marley was here before in time. Bob Marley not get to spend no, Bob Marley coming like a Bob Marley just get little bit more time than Garnet Silk dog. He not get no time.
But why my biggest thing CMA still? Because I'm a number one CMA after all these years.
Because Bob Marley sing good music. And listen to me, the system have Bob Marley right there as the face, and we don't want to move him. And we know if we have Beenie and Bunty and Yellow Man and Ninja Man, we cannot tear down these guys and start over. Every time we are start over, every time we can't do that, I make them come and take away our music. Chris Brown, them, Rihanna, them. Why them can't sing with music are so big? Because you know tear down the legend them. I will never, listen to me, a Vegas are my artist, you know. If it was Vegas, me would be nobody, a Vegas song, let me sing over and become artist, you know that. So all when you no like him, and that man career put food on my table. And just like how you see Bunty and Kartel that say, he telling you them, I publicly always, me no know why Vegas don't like me and me are the only human being on the planet like him.
Me ready, you talking, you be truthful, me ready for that, you talk the truth.
And listen to me, you know how our next youth again when he Lexus. Brother, I want to forget the energy when Lexus come boy with. I tear down Lexus thing to you know.
I tear them.
All Lexus thing for do you know is just accept say yes, me am like a pussy, I move on. And the girl them will tell me same thing boy you too. I move on. Jamaica I say okay. You understand? Listen, me just I tell you, brother. Remember when Lexus come out by route and Bunty and Beenie Man them in a problem when he come out to that new style. The dog we have to start the people then credit. Enough man are dead with so man career, so man.
Yeah, you know say do you know say elephant man come take your fan in door. You know the time there. Elephant taking that.
Who?
Elephant man.
Bro.
When Lexus come out 2000 with 400.
Hey, the fastest dancehall artist we see boss is Lexus. Where we see boss is Lex. As Lexus drop him at the man. Me not ask you. Bro, Lexus is the only dancehall superstar where we see come around here and fight on Lexus career. Fight them, fight that. If they never fight against Lexus, I think so we that talk about no Vybz Kartel and no King for no dancehall. Whoa, Beenie Man and me artist, Lexus come make we know and listen to them. Me not ask you.
All Vegas them.
Bro, Vegas come and rub out Beenie Man and Bunty killer. I swear. Two artists come and give Bunty and Beenie Man real problem. That's me see how Beenie Man come out on TV if me no lie. Me I did little youth then time there I say, boy, me don't know what I'm do if I sing him a singer or a DJ, my DJ. I hear you Beenie Man a be king, but confuse him. Me I tell you, bro, Vegas come and beat them, Vegas beat them. Them have to plan up and get rid of him.
But Khago still, you know, me I tell you, you see when me see a kill the dancehall music still. To me still, it's like I give an example. You see sweetest time rhythm, at this sweetest time, you hear the bass line of the rhythm there. Them are nowadays rhythm and not the bass line there. The original dancehall bass line.
You think a little bit of piece of food, a Vegas song, them save me life and put food on girls' time, and the sweetest time, and the sun gone in, and the moon star shine, and the cassette in, and the tape, the crabby wine, juice a blend up with that sparkling wine, girls' time, anyway the girl then me there, and it's a girl move long time me there, Pandam Foxy no me at around there. Cellular the ring girl want me candy because the sweet I tell you that every sound a cover country nobody do. I mean I tell you, Khago sing them over that till me now start write them over line for line. You understand? I'm sound exactly like him. So Vegas is me no go idol worshipping still, but Vegas is my artist. But Beenie Man, and I can tell you something. Because we are give credit. You notice the way all me dress, a Spragga Benz dress code. Me thief it. So like Vegas. Try perform like Beenie Man. And me dress code is Spragga Benz. Talk it short. Yes. You have to talk when you have to mix up something. It's like a dumpling. You mix it up and fold it up. Some man act like say you just get that thing and it just come down. No, dog. All when you're bad with it, you have to mold it from somewhere. My vocal is Vegas. My child perform like Beenie Man. Can't perform like him, but them 90% of who out there can perform like Khago. Listen, And me just like Spragga Benz, the chat bottom them and rare till me get me own. Me start okay work and me put my baseball cap sideways and me start more look like the Yankee them and so me come down. You understand? Everybody get it from somewhere. So that is the reason why this king can't be no one man. No one man can't be no king. All England, you know, see one different king over there now.